Mike Phillips, Autogeek.com, and I want to share with you an upcoming Autogeek Roadshow detailing class in Canyon Country, California. That's going to be July 13th and 14th. Now, these are hands-on detailing classes and they're a ton of fun. You get to use all the cool tools, and for this class, we're going to be focusing on 3D products. These classes are open to everyone, from the novice to the pro. They're intensely hands-on from the start in the morning to the end of the day. It's really all about hands-on training because I've learned that people learn best when they're up out of their chair, working on cars, not sitting there listening to somebody talk. And here's just a few of the topics these classes cover: paint correction, ceramic coatings, engine detailing, glass polishing, headlight correction. And here's the good news. If you sign up for a 1 or 2 day class before June 13th, you'll receive a $100 or $200 store credit at Autogeek.com. Now, who doesn't want to save money? You know you want to go, so clear your schedule and sign up early. Again, these classes are going to be held July 13th and 14th in Canyon Country at the beautiful 3D training facility. For more information about this class or other dates and locations of our Roadshow detailing classes, visit Autogeek.com. I hope to see you at a future Roadshow detailing class.